Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're curious about the fascinating world of technology, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around the tech community and beyond: voice cloning. What is it? How does it work? And what are its implications? Buckle up because we have a lot to explore. Before we jump in, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever wished you could sound just like your favorite celebrity or even a loved one? What if I told you that technology is making that possible? Let's find out how. Voice cloning, at its core, is the process of creating a synthetic replica of a person's voice. It's achieved through advanced machine learning algorithms that analyze recordings of the original voice and then generate new speech patterns based on that analysis. But how exactly does this work? To break it down, voice cloning involves several key steps. First, you need a source voice. This can be a recording of someone speaking for an extended period, usually several hours. The more varied the speech, different emotions, tones, and contexts, the better the final result will be. Next, engineers use this data to train a neural network. This is a type of machine learning model designed to learn patterns in the data. The model learns how to mimic the unique characteristics of the voice, its pitch, cadence, accent, and even emotional nuances. Once trained, the model can then produce new speech by transforming text into audio. For instance, if you input the phrase "Hello, world," the model will generate an audio clip of that phrase, spoken in the clone voice. Now, you might be wondering about the accuracy of these clones. In recent years, advancements in technology have led to astonishing results. For example, systems like OpenAI's Jukebox and Google's SwaveNet have produced voice clones that are nearly indistinguishable from the original speakers. In fact, some voice cloning technologies can replicate voices with just a few seconds of audio as input. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you're an audiobook publisher. You have a huge backlog of books to narrate, and hiring voice actors for each one can be costly and time-consuming. With voice cloning, you can create a synthetic version of a well-known narrator, allowing you to produce audiobooks quickly and efficiently. However, this raises ethical questions about consent and ownership. Another fascinating use of voice cloning is in the field of accessibility. For individuals who have lost their ability to speak due to illness or injury, voice cloning technology can recreate their original voice. This allows them to communicate in a way that feels familiar and personal, improving their quality of life significantly. However, voice cloning isn't without its challenges. One major concern is the potential for misuse. Deepfake technology, which can create realistic fake videos, often uses voice cloning to enhance the authenticity of the deception. This raises issues of misinformation and identity theft, as malicious actors can impersonate individuals to manipulate or deceive others. Furthermore, the ethical implications of voice cloning extend to its impact on industries like entertainment and advertising. For instance, if a celebrity's voice can be cloned without their consent, it raises questions about the rights of individuals over their own likeness and voice. There's ongoing debate about how to regulate this technology to protect people while still allowing for innovation. So, what does the future hold for voice cloning? As technology progresses, we can expect even more sophisticated and nuanced voice models. Imagine a virtual assistant that not only understands you but sounds just like your favorite author or artist. While this prospect is exciting, it's essential to approach it responsibly, ensuring that ethical guidelines and regulations are in place to prevent misuse. In summary, voice cloning is an incredible technology that has the potential to revolutionize many fields, from entertainment to accessibility. However, it also presents significant ethical challenges that we must address. As we embrace this technology, let's be mindful of its implications and work together to create a responsible framework for its use. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or thoughts on voice cloning, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology.